Okay, this video is a little bit old, but here's my restoration of this little kid's piano. Yeah, that's one broken key. Okay. The rest seems to work though, but it sounds a little bit off. So let's take it apart, have a little look inside. I have no idea how these things even work. I've never seen the insides of one, so. Okay, here we are. And all the keys fell out. So very simple on the inside, as expected. It is a bit of a toy after all. Oh, and there's some loose bits. Okay, let's flip it around. Let's see if I can figure this out. So yeah, it seems there's a bunch of hammers that hit little metal rods. And one of them is broken. That's our missing note. Okay, I'll have to glue that. And here we go. Just some wood glue and some weighting. As you can see, it's a simple cardboard construction, but I need to get under there to screw the metal bits loose, because it's very rusty. So, get these top two screws off. And ta-da! Yeah, this looks pretty crusty, rusty, and needs some cleaning. First I'm gonna clean the keys though, because they have all sorts of stickers and whatnot on them. They're kind of gross. And then let's clean the metal bits. So I'm using rust remover. Just getting in all the little corners everywhere. And while that is setting and doing its thing, I'm cleaning all the wood and everything else. I want to prep it for painting. And it's also very dirty and dusty, of course. Okay, keys are all clean. Much better now. Just further dry cleaning everything else. Making sure it's all prepped. And here is the de-rusted metal piece. Looking much better, but it could use a paint job. So here's some Hammerite anti-rust metal paint on it, so it stays nice for a long time. Gotta glue some bits. Funny little detail, they used a piece of rope as dampening instead of felt. Anyways, it's time to get this painted. Just some spray paint. I just happen to have the right color as well. White and baby blue. And that's looking much better already. Yeah, that works. Time to put it all back together. Figuring out the keys was a little bit of a conundrum, because they make no sense. The black and white keys, yeah, they don't have the standard musical arrangement, but oh well. I figured it out well enough. And there we go. It seems it's all in order. Okay, well, that was it. It's all nice and working well.